Meaning of inaugural.
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 Inaugural. The term inaugural refers to the beginning or first occurrence of something. It is often used to describe events or ceremonies that mark the start of something new, such as the inauguration of a president or the inaugural flight of a new airline route. In the context of sports, it may refer to the first game of a season or the first competition of a new tournament. Overall, inaugural signifies a significant and noteworthy moment in time, marking the start of a new era or venture.